English together.
Conversation 1.
I am ready for dessert. I want the giant sundae.
Wow, that bowl is bigger than your head, Tom. It is not healthy.
But it is tastier than a plain fruit salad.
Look at the price, too. The sundae is more expensive than the cake.
That is okay. It is a special day. My love for sundaes is stronger than my diet.
Fine. I'll have the giant sundae, too. Conversation 2.
Sarah, look at this black laptop. It is cheaper than the silver one.
Yes, but it is very heavy. The silver laptop is lighter than the black one.
You're right. It is also smaller than my old laptop.
It is much better than your old one, Tom. Your old laptop is too slow.
Okay, let's buy the silver one. It is faster than the black laptop.
Conversation 3. We need to choose a car for our road trip. This red car is huge.
I like it. It is bigger than the blue car. We have a lot of bags.
But the blue car is cheaper than the red one. Gas is very expensive right now.
True, but the red car is safer than the small one for long drives.
Okay, but you are driving. Driving it is harder than driving a small car.
Don't worry, I am a good driver.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.